What is the correct course of action in this situation? Hazard lights are off. A. I maintain my speed. B. I drive with an increased level of alertness. C. I slow down to walking speed now. The correct answers are A and B. You must maintain your speed and drive with an increased level of alertness. Since the hazard lights on the bus are off, it is not indicating that children or passengers are currently disembarking or crossing the road. However, the bus is standing at a stop, so you must still drive with increased alertness to be prepared for any sudden movement by the bus or pedestrians. What is correct in this situation? A. Here I may only overtake the cyclist at a moderate speed. B. Here I may not overtake the cyclist. C. Here I may overtake the cyclist because there is no oncoming traffic visible. The correct answer is B. You may not overtake the cyclist here. The law prohibits overtaking in situations where there is insufficient lateral clearance, or where the traffic situation is not entirely clear and safe. In this narrow urban area with parked cars and oncoming traffic potentially obscured by them, the required safety distance for overtaking cannot be guaranteed. What must you anticipate with traffic islands like this? A. Pedestrians thinking that they have the right of way over the road. Traffic. B. Cyclists crossing the road without paying attention to the traffic. C. Pedestrians always respect the right of way for vehicles. The correct answers are A and B. You must anticipate pedestrians thinking they have the right of way, and cyclists crossing without paying attention. Traffic islands are crossing points, and it's crucial to be prepared for the unpredictable actions of vulnerable road users who may be distracted or misjudge the traffic situation. What is the correct course of action in this situation? A. I continue driving at the same speed. B. I watch the pedestrians closely. C. I reduce my speed and prepare to stop if necessary. The correct answers are B and C. You must watch the pedestrians closely and reduce your speed and prepare to stop. This is a pedestrian crossing, zebra crossing. You must always approach a pedestrian crossing with extreme caution and be prepared to stop immediately to grant pedestrians their right of way. What should you do in this situation? A. I wait this side of the pedestrian crossing until the blue vehicle has made the turn. B. I pull up directly behind the blue vehicle. C. I allow the pedestrian to cross the road. The correct answers are A and C. You must wait before the pedestrian crossing to avoid stopping on it, which is prohibited and unsafe. While waiting, you must also allow the pedestrian to cross the road, as they have the right of way at the crossing. What is the right course of action? A. I take the turn before the oncoming pedestrian because only this one is required to wait. B. I wait because the two pedestrians have priority. C. I continue driving because the two pedestrians have to wait. The correct answer is B. You must wait because both pedestrians have priority. When turning right, you must always yield the right of way to any pedestrians or cyclists who are crossing the road you are turning into. What is correct? A. I must get ready to proceed. B. I can turn now. C. The yellow car must leave the crossroads. The correct answers are A and C. You must get ready to proceed, as the green arrow indicates a right turn is permitted despite the red light. However, you must first wait for the yellow car to leave the crossroads, as vehicles already in an intersection have the right to clear it. Remember, a green arrow requires you to stop and yield before turning. What is the right course of action now? A. I wait outside of the junction for further instructions from the police officer. B. I let the blue vehicle move first. C. I cross over the junction carefully. The correct answer is C. You must cross over the junction carefully. The police officer's signal means the road traffic coming from the front and back of the officer must wait while you may proceed. Who has priority here? A. Me. B. The red car. C. The motorbike. The correct answer is B. The red car has priority. This is a situation where the red car is following the main priority road's course. Both you and the motorbike are leaving the main priority road and must yield to vehicles following its course. What is the right thing to do in this situation? A. I must turn round. B. I must wait before the junction. C. I must, without waiting, turn right. The correct answer is B. You must wait before the junction. The police officer's signal, with their back turned towards you, is the equivalent of a red light. You are required to stop and wait for a signal that permits you to proceed.